Unraveling the mystery, setting up a coat check. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its many mysteries. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound simple but is packed with cultural and practical significance: set up a coat check. Whether you're at a fancy event or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. Let's get started and understand what it means and where you might encounter it. Set up a coat check might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To set up means to establish or arrange something for use. A coat check is a service or a place where guests can leave their coats, jackets, or outerwear before entering a venue or event. This service is particularly common in colder climates or at formal gatherings where guests might not want to carry their coats around. Coat checks serve a dual purpose. Firstly, they ensure comfort for the guests, freeing them from the burden of carrying their outerwear. Secondly, they add an element of organization and security, as coats are safely stored and monitored, reducing the risk of loss or theft. In settings like museums, theaters, restaurants, or clubs, a coat check becomes an essential service, enhancing the overall guest experience. Setting up a coat check requires careful planning and execution. Here are the key steps involved. 1. Designate a space. Choose a secure and accessible location near the entrance. 2. Equip the area. Provide hangers, racks, or numbered tags to organize the coats efficiently. 3. Staff appropriately. Ensure there are trustworthy attendants to manage the coat check, handing out tickets and overseeing the collection and return of items. 4. Implement a system. Whether it's a simple ticket system or a more sophisticated method, having a clear, efficient process is crucial for smooth operation. While the concept of a coat check might seem purely practical, it also carries certain cultural and social implications. In many cultures, offering to take someone's coat is a sign of hospitality and care. A well-managed coat check can elevate the perceived class and professionalism of an event, reflecting positively on the hosts. Understanding these nuances is essential for anyone learning English and aiming to grasp the cultural context in which the language is used. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, set up a coat check, and its significance in English-speaking cultures. Whether you're planning an event or attending one, the concept of a coat check is a fascinating example of how language, culture, and practical needs intersect. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.